Thyme honey cough syrup. Thyme and honey are so much more than ingredients in your kitchen cabinet, they're also wonderful medicines. Thymol, which gives thyme its strong aroma, is strongly antibacterial. Honey also has antiseptic properties, and their combination makes for one of the most amazing remedies you'll ever find for a cough, sore throat, or upper respiratory infection. 2 to 4 tablespoons fresh thyme. Adjust for age. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. 1 cup water. A quarter cup honey, preferably raw and local, or a quarter cup maple syrup if using for a child under the age of 12 months. Ingredients. Directions. Pour near boiling water over the thyme and steep, covered, for 15 minutes. Strain. Add honey and lemon juice. Refrigerate for up to 1 week. Note, I use 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme for children 3 months, 2 years, 2 tablespoons of fresh thyme for children 2 to 8 years of age and elders over 70. I use 3 to 4 tablespoons for everybody else. For children 12 months and older, give 1 to 2 teaspoons every 2 to 3 hours, as needed. Teens and adults can take 1 to 2 tablespoons every 2 to 3 hours, as needed. How to use. Note, honey should never be given to children under 12 months of age. For children 3 to 12 months, substitute maple syrup for honey and give 1/2 teaspoon every 2 to 3 hours.